What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, what we're going to talk about in this video is the future of cryptocurrency. Because if you didn't know, Bitcoin dropped to a pretty low point, and you also see other things that are dropping to a low point as well. And it happened throughout the night or throughout the morning, I guess. But we're going to talk about this. We're going to break all this stuff down, see where the future will be, what I see within these positions, and whether they will continue to drop. And remember that nobody can 100% predict this, so I'm not trying to create any fear. If this is the bottom, then it is the bottom, and we can see it thrive. But I'm not trying to create any fear by doing one of these videos and talking about how could be the end of crypto or whatever the title or thumbnail ends up being. But we're gonna dive into this. Make sure you guys hit the like button, also hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links down below, you can definitely check out those. We do have a Twitter. If you want to follow me on Twitter at PerryAK, you can follow me over there. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this. So if we look at the entire crypto market, currently it's down 6.36% over the last day, over the last 24 hours. It's down below a $900 trillion market cap, below a 900 or 850 billion dollar market cap, not trillion. So we are not in the trillions anymore. We're not worried about 1.2, 2.1, 3.0 trillion dollar market cap. No, that's not the case. We are in the hundreds of billions, and we're kind of solidly in the hundreds of billions. It's not bouncing back and forth. 849.31 billion dollars. You're seeing it down 6.36%. Let's look at Bitcoin's dominance. Bitcoin's dominance is at 43.52%, so it hasn't really moved that much. So don't expect, obviously the flippening to happen anytime soon. I mean, it could, but don't expect the flippening to happen anytime soon here. Bitcoin's current price is what they're showing, $19,393.04. 19,000. That's below the $20,000 mark that we thought would be and did play as a hard support level. But like I've said in the past, support and resistance levels do not hold well in crypto. They just don't. And it's crazy to see that you have those support levels, and we can call out all these support levels, and we know that they'll fight against those levels. However, we don't know if it will bounce at those levels, right? It always has an ability to go lower or to spring higher. It's crazy because even some of the high points where you would expect 67,000, right? It gets to 67,000, and you think that that would be a firm resistance, but no, the resistance comes at 70,000, right? And that's in a normal time to where everything in the market is not up. It's just Bitcoin and Ethereum that are just making a move. So it's crazy to see that it would run that much just based on Bitcoin and Ethereum running, and maybe BNB as well. But you look at all of the other positions, the altcoins, they were not running really at all. They weren't making any type of moves. They were still at like midpoints rather than being at these high points that Bitcoin and Ethereum were at. So if we scroll down and look at some of these positions, we're going to see Bitcoin's at 19,000, Ethereum is at 1,000. I really want to buy some, but I'm like 2 days away from getting paid from YouTube, so I can't buy any right now. But Ethereum's at 1,000. Maybe that's a blessing because it might drop a little bit more. You're seeing, good thing is Tether is still at 99 cents. That hasn't been depegged. USD is still at $1. It hasn't been depegged. BNB is at $2 or $204. It's down 6% today. Cardano, that's at 47 cents. XRP is at 30 cents. Solana is at $30. Dogecoin is at 5.5 cents. If we look at Shiba Inu, that's around the 0.00007909, and it's down 4%. If we keep scrolling down, Kronos is around 11 cents. So funny thing is, even though you're seeing things drop to different lows, like Ethereum getting down to $1,000 and Bitcoin getting down to $19,000 or even lower than $19,000, you're not seeing all of the other cryptocurrencies fall that much, right? You're seeing Bitcoin and Ethereum fall by 8%, but then you're seeing other things that are falling by 2%, 3%, right? Maybe 6%. Some things 12%, but you have Litecoin that's 2%. Chronos again 6%. It's less than what we're seeing, from the top two, from the main two or the main one. But if we look at where cryptocurrency will be, where I believe it will be, right? Let's go into Bitcoin and we'll go into Ethereum as well. And if you look at what did happen, I mean this all happened around this time. What time was that? 2:49 a.m. Everything started to drop. It seems like the morning, early morning, just really has a horrible effect on cryptocurrency. It's either, or a massive effect. It's either positive or negative. We have a massive movement around that 3 to 4 a.m. range, and that's exactly what happened. It hit these lows of 18,000, right? $18,905.98. That is not a support level, right? Support level that we saw obviously was 20,000. Obviously, when it drops down now, we'll go into some more detail here. But if we look at TradingView, we can see that where we currently are at that $19,378 range. If we're looking at any type of support level, we could see we are now above that support level, the previous resistance level, and it's not even a strong resistance level. But if we go down here and we look at this support level, we have 16,600. So let's just say 16,000 just for short. If we go ahead and look at some of these other levels, if it does break below 16,000, we do have 14,000 as another level of support. We have, let's see, we have 12,000 as another level of support. Looking at 10,000 as another level of support. So we have multiple levels of support. It's just whether it's going to hold it. What we've noticed in the past is, like I said, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all cryptocurrency doesn't hold support levels well. When it falls, it falls. And I don't know the full reason as to why. Maybe because it's 24/7 and it has no stopping point. When things, when kind of shit hits the fan, for lack of a better term, it seems as though it just continues to gain negative momentum, right? Not positive momentum, but negative momentum, right? So I mean, you're seeing that in Bitcoin, and it can definitely drop a little bit further as things are just, it kind of looks like a falling knife here, right? We're looking for this support. Well, I guess it's a resistance at this point. 20,000 is now seem to be a resistance to break through that level that we are at now at 19,369. I expect to see some sort of positivity after all the negativity that we saw at 4 in the morning, or not 4 in the morning, 3 in the morning, basically. But we'll see. We'll see how all of that goes. If we go back and look at these coins, we're going to see, let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum dropped below 1,000 early this morning. So around the same time, you can see Ethereum dropped down to $986.85, which it ended up jumping back above $1,000. However, it's not that far above $1,000. It's very close to that $986.85. It's down to a $122 billion market cap, which is insanely low for Ethereum. And again, some people can look at this and be fearful and say, I don't want to buy at these times because it's not good, right? It's something where it's going to continue to drop. It's a falling knife, all of this other stuff. But if you really focus on what's going on here, I mean, these are at their lows. And I definitely see this as a long-term move, something that can gain me quite a bit in the long run. So I don't know. You let me know. What do you think about cryptocurrency? Where is it going to go? Are things going to fall more? There's a lot of things that are down. Main things that are down, obviously, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two that we like to focus on, because if Bitcoin's dropping, everything's really dropping, right? So guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links down below, please do so. And if you want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.